Hey, girlfriends, and welcome back to Cocaknotz, home of the Long Hair Society. If you are ready to start retaining inches and get your hair big and long, well, this is the channel for you. Make sure you are subscribed so you can start growing your hair to your booty, honey. Speaking of hair to the booty, today's client been that girl. She had long, thick, beautiful natural hair all her life. I'm talking about the type of hair that got compliments night and day. But over the last several years, she started noticing less density and more shedding. And that was a problem for her because she was like, hold up now. Wait a minute, what's going on? So she started visiting hairstylists in her city to start getting protective styles because that's what most women do when they start noticing changes in their hair. They start trying to seek the length and fullness that they used to have in hair extensions. Now, she was trying so many different hair extensions, and she also tried a lace closure sewing. Now, I don't really like the lace closure sewing. I mean, it's cute and all, but past 2 weeks, I don't think it's really beneficial for your hair, especially if you have finer hair textures. I feel like that lace just be a little bit too rough at the crown of your hair. Even though her hairstylist was providing great hairstyles, it still wasn't helping her get to her goal, which was to get her fullness and her length back to where it used to be. So when she seen my video, she hopped on a flight, honey, and she came to check on your girl. And one thing about me, I'm going to give your hair some tender loving care. So you seen I removed her protective style that she had done by her previous stylist, because you know I probably stole her from her stylist, girl. Call me Mr. Take Your Girl, because I'm going to take your client. That's one thing I'm going to take your client from you, all right? And then I removed her braids using the main Magic Elixir in some water, and I used the main Magic Detangler. I use these two products to remove all protective styles because it helps me with finger detangling and helps me to remove naturally shed hair, helping my clients to retain length and retain density. And now I'm going to use my main Magic Detox clay treatment. I put this thing on everybody's head. It's like hitting the restart button. It's going to detox your hair strands while still depositing minerals and conditioning your hair. So after I leave that on for about 30 minutes, it's time for me to shampoo her hair and do her other treatments, hot oil treatments, her deep mask treatments. And now I'm going to go ahead and put some oil on her hair and seal in that moisture after her shampoo so I can go ahead and blow dry her hair after I finger detangle her hair again. I know it's a lot, girl, but hey, we got to do what we got to do, right? All the products I'm using today is all natural, 100% natural, and you can find them from Cocaknotz.com if you need products that's going to help you get to longer, thicker, stronger hair with natural ingredients. As you can see, she has a beautiful grade of hair, and despite hair shedding and less density, she still has some fullness remaining. As I blow dried, I was able to see that her hair lacked some luster, and that's something that we're definitely going to work on over the next few months while she has this certain protective style in. Even though these products is going to help her hair get real long, okay? And even though I got some growing hands, my goal right now is not length. My goal right now is to stop the shedding, right? I want to stop whatever shedding she got going on. She already got her health in check. She is on a health journey. She don't play about her health. So I know she's got all that taken care of. So right now we're going to do what we got to do to the hair itself. Right now I'm using the main Magic Cocoa Custard to butter up her hair and to add some luster back to her hair strands. And we're going to do a protective style using human hair bulk. I'm bringing it back to the 99 and 2000s. What y'all know about this? That old school wet and wavy plaits. Some people call it micros. Down here in Miami, we used to call them pigtails. I don't know why we call them pigtails, but it was a style that everybody was doing. It was so convenient. It looked like you had your hair out, but it was actually braids. So you had the versatility, but you still had the look of extensions. You getting a 2-for-1. You getting braids and you getting a sewing. Well, the look of a sewing. So I really love this style. Plus, it allows you to really take care of your hair a lot better. You get access to your scalp. You get access to your hair strands more than a sewing. And it's easier to maintain for a lot of people. Some people aren't really able to get to their hair in a sewing. It takes a lot of work. You got to be like on your Zoom if you want to wear a sewing when it comes to the maintenance routine. But when you have a hairstyle like this that gives you that look of a sewing, but gives you that easy scalp access of braids, it's a win-win. You get to put your drops on your scalp. You get to spray and mist your hair with water down the length of your hair in the braids. You get to oil your hair down the length of the braids. You get to shampoo, condition with easy access to your scalp. Plus, it's cute. Like, look at this. As you can see, I'm doing just traditional plaits with the knots at the top. This ain't no knotless. This just that old school plaits with wet and wavy hair, human hair. And it's such a beautiful style. You can do different colors, different lengths. You can even choose different textures, and it'll still last for weeks, for months. And it's lightweight. I mean, this the summer hairstyle. I ain't even gonna lie to you. This is making a comeback. Because we are trying to stop the shedding of her hair, we have to basically switch things up for her hair. The sewings is not going to really allow her to really take care of her hair and see about her hair almost on a daily basis. With a style like this, she'll be able to really see about her hair, care about her hair, keep it moisturized, keep it oiled, keep it hitting keep the sun hitting her scalp. It's just really a great style to really nurture your hair. Plus, like I said, it's lightweight. It's not too much tension on her hair. It's not weighing down her hair. And it'll really give her time to really care for her hair a lot more and just give it what it needs, which is water, vitamins, and minerals that you can get from natural oils and butters. And because it's human hair, it's a safer alternative to just using synthetic hair extensions. You'll be able to reuse this hair, and you'll be able to shampoo and condition your hair and scalp. If you're looking for someone to help you figure out a protective style that's going to help you on your hair journey, no matter your hair goals, and you really just want to get the most out of your natural hair, I'm located in the South Florida area. I am in the Miami, Fort Lauderdale area. And if you have contacted me and left me an email, I am going through my emails. I ain't gonna lie, I be getting like hundreds of emails. People trying to get in this chair. Okay. But you know what? I'm going to get to it. I'm going to respond to my emails, and I'm going to make sure I service and help as much people as I can really get on their long hair journey and reap them inches and retain that length, because that's what it's all about. And the main Magic Grow Drops is definitely going to help her get there. I mean, look at this style. It's just too cute. Like, it's giving. Even though she's working with less density than she's used to, I still managed to make this look as full as possible. This is so cute. It's still lightweight. The color is gorgeous. Now her hair is protected in a way that allows her to stay connected to her own hair and her own scalp. And sometimes that's exactly what a healthy hair journey looks like. Not chasing perfection, just making better choices for where your hair is today and what's going to help you get to your long hair tomorrow. If you are experiencing any hair changes currently in your life, hair loss, hair shedding, less density, just know that you can get your hair back. You may have to pivot some things, learn new things, try new things, but just remember that long hair is your destiny and big hair is your birthright. Tell me how you like this hairstyle in the comments, and if you would give this protective style a chance to help you retain length.